welcome back to AJP Garden Machines, and this is just a video to show people how to use Nightbot. Now Nightbot's a handy little add-on to use when you're streaming. You can do several little bits and bobs. You can have it run timed messages, as you can see whenever you're in my streams. There's one what pops up saying please stick to the community guidelines, and then there's also another one which is saying to subscribe to my channel, with a link to subscribe to the channel. But as you've seen in the latest live I did, we also had to play about with the giveaway feature, which makes everything a lot easier to do, because when you're on some streams you do the giveaway and then it's up to people to, especially if you've got quite a few people in and the numbers are coming through quick and fast, like say you do the number guessing game, like 1 to 200, whatever. It takes away the hard part of actually searching for it. The thing will actually do, the Nightbot will actually do it for you. So it will pick a number, or you can set the number as what you want it to be and it will find it for you. So that's another handy feature. So what I'll do is show you how to get it to join up with your channel first of all. I'll be using my secondary channel for this because it's already set up on my main channel. So you go to Nightbot, which I'll leave a link in the description. It'll ask you to log in, then you click login via YouTube, then do all of that, you know, password, email, etc. And then when you get to this, you'll come to this dashboard, and then what you want to do is click on join channel. And once you've clicked that, it'll come up with this saying the next step and everything is to do what it says. So what you want to do is copy that, which is highlight it and then click copy, right click, then copy, or left click, no, right click, right click, yeah. And then you want to click this little button here, see that one there, click on that. That'll take you to your community page. As you can see, I'm on my second channel, and add moderator, press on that and click enter, and as you can see Mr. Nightbot will come up and you click on him and now he's a moderator, so you just save that there and then you can click off your YouTube. Now you're connected with YouTube now, so every time you start a live stream it'll come up with that. So I'm back into my main account here, and this is the first page on the dashboard. So I've had this going a few times on my channels, and this first thing is see who your top chatters are. And since the 27th of the 2nd, my top chatters: Andrew Thorne takes the lead for that, followed by the Lawnmower Detective, and third Scotty Daniel. So that's it gives you a bit of information on exactly how many people's writing in your chat, how active I am in your chat. So that's that. So that's pretty cool feature, you know. So that's that. And then you've got this one, top commands. I haven't set any commands up as of yet, but I'm going to show you how to do this. I think I am going to set some commands up, so we'll bear with what I'm going to set up anyway. So that's that. Then you go over to, this is your commands, and this is how you set up the commands. I'll get to that a bit later on. And default, I've disabled them all at the moment because there's no need for them, for me anyway. Like a lot of these are enabled at the start. But if you wanted to do a poll and stuff, you can add polls and enable them to do polls, etc. And filter out spam. Now that's another good one, but you have to be careful with it, because some people's names and stuff it could find offensive, and it will penalise them and chuck them out, which you don't want to happen, especially if you know the person, etc. So giveaways. Now this is what I did today. Now the eligibility mods, because I've got quite a few mods in my channel. I want everyone involved to be able to do it, and this is just a thing you can make it more lucky, but I like it fair, so no extra. And then active timeout. This is just we'll find a random person who's been active in the chat for how long you say, whatever. here. So that's that, and then you click roll it, and then it'll roll automatically, and it'll come up with a winner and say it in your chat as well. So you know there's no fiddle in the system, as we say. And then keyword. So say this is what if you wanted to set up a giveaway and people had to put hashtag. So say you had to put mower in the chat. So you have that, and then you enable anti-spam. It stops people from typing more than once. So, and then it'll do it after so long. It'll give you like a timer, and then this keyword people enter in chat to become eligible to win, and it'll roll it. It'll tell you how long you've got and roll it. And the one I used today was the random number generator. So 0 to whatever you want, 0 to 1,000, you know. And then people will be putting a number in the chat until they get the number, and then it'll let them know in the chat that they've just won, and I'll find out on here, it pops up. So that is a very handy tool, and these are the eligibility. Say if you only wanted it to run for just your normal users, just your normal users, you just click that, so it's blue. Wanted it for your mods, channel members, that. So what I have it is for everything blue, like that, so everyone gets a chance. So that's that. And then this is another good thing, logs. Now this, if say any issues happen during your live stream, and you need to review the chat, say someone got banned for a reason, and you wanted to review the chat, you can review all the chat. This is everything what was said in my last live stream, so I can go over it if there was any issues and actually see what's happened. So that's another handy feature. And as you can see, there's pages and pages of chat. Yeah. So that does make life easier. And then regulars. Now, this, I believe, you can add users who are classed as regulars. So I might try that out. And then this is the regular users, and I think we might have something. Let me have a look. Scotty is a regular. Submit. And Scotty Daniels. As you can see now, Scotty is a regular. So I think that'll come up. That is a regular on my channel. So he's now. But we'll test that out next time. Actually, I'll test that on my next live. I'll add quite a few people in and see if anything else pops up. So that would be something to look out for. Song requests, not really very good for us, is it? Because, you know, with all YouTube and stuff, I think that's better for Twitch. Spam protection, blocked words, SX caps, excess emotes, links, etc. These are more things which I've got them all disabled because the people in my chat know how many emojis and caps I like, but you can have it automatically done for you, but I don't need that because I've got all my moderators who, if anybody does break the rules, they'll get punished for it by my moderators. So I don't need to take their fun away, if you know what I'm saying. So that's that. Then timers. Now, as you know, today I had Get Her Done Granny's donation link running through my chat. So that was that one I set up. And then all you do for one of these, you add and say social name. This is just the name you see in here. So I could have it as anything. Hi. So the message, this is what you actually see in YouTube. So, welcome to the show. Could have that. And then this is how long you want every 5 minutes you wanted that to run through. Then like that. And that'll run through every 5 minutes. So that's that. Yeah, so it is pretty simple software to use. Well, that's all the simple basic stuff. Then the commands. So as you can see, I've just got Scotty's thing. So what we'll do, we'll add a command. We'll add exclamation mark Scotty. So, and then I'll paste Scotty's link in there, and then that's a cooldown. So every 30 seconds somebody can do something. So if I press save on that, submit that now. If anyone typed that into my chat, I don't know if it'll work. Let me try something. No, it won't work because I'm not actually on live. So I can't actually show you working, but all I need to do is write that into the chat and it will give you a link to Scotty's channel, and that's what it would do. So yeah, if you did find this video helpful, I believe I've gone over everything. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to like this video, share it out, subscribe and hit the little bell notification so you know every time I put another video out. Now, I do these odd tech videos every now and again, mixed in with my normal content, which should be coming back soon. So yeah, and I'll be live every Saturday at around 2:30, somewhere in that time, UK time. So I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.